9 July 2020. Good morning. You are listening Prakriti Gupta, your news anchor from Love Afro Media. Here we bring you the latest updated news from around the world. England scheduled to play twice in 12 hours. England will seemingly have to field different teams at different venues within 12 hours of each other next month after the more details were revealed for their truncated international season. England's international summer will begin with the first test against West Indies on Wednesday, and the ECB today confirmed the dates and venues for the three-match ODI series against Ireland as well as the Test and T20 campaigns against the Pakistan. Delhi Unlock 2.0 News Today's update. As the central and the state governments allow the phase-wise relaxation in the curbs to get the life up and running again following over 2 months of the lockdown to prevent the spread of COVID-19. We bring you the latest updates from Delhi. Update at 6:21 p.m. The Delhi High Court has asked the Delhi government to ensure that all COVID-19 patients are removed from a private hospital here which has been deregistered by the authorities following a fire accident (PTI). Delhi occupy below 5K first time in the month. As an assessment of Occupy carried out by the Delhi government shows that the weekly new bed Occupy rate, the difference between number of patients admitted and discharged, has been dipping for the past 5 weeks after peaking in the first week of June. Occupy of COVID-19 beds fell below the 5,000 mark on Tuesday evening for the first time in close to month, official data shows. While the number of ICU beds and ventilator beds in city hospital has gone up over the past 2 weeks, the number of patients being admitted has also dipped. Coronavirus live updates. Kerala reports 301 new cases, 90 through local transmission. Coronavirus India news live updates with 482 deaths and 22752 COVID-19 cases in the last 20 hours. India COVID-19 cases reached 742,417, including 20,642 facilities, 264,944 active cases. Mumbai lockdown news today's update. The Maharashtra government announced extension of the general lockdown until July 31st. With an aim to contain the COVID-19 surge. The notification issued by the state government has also restricted inter-district travel between municipal corporations within the Mumbai metropolitan region to that for office purposes and essential activities like medical reasons. India's IT sector may see mass layoffs as the demand outlook remains weak. The underlying reason that has triggered a fresh wave of IT layoffs seems to be related to downsizing workforce in an uncertain business environment. Lower demand and prevailing conditions have damped the global IT sector outlook. There have been mass layoffs by IT companies around the globe. India, too, is likely to see many layoffs if there is no improvement in demand outlook. So, this is all about today. I, Prakriti Gupta, will come with the new updates tomorrow. Stay tuned with us. Have a great day ahead. Thank you.